Hi. All right, today I want to show you dworshak-prompt. So I'm in the source code right now. This is a Python project. You can use this as a pipx installed CLI, or you can UV add or pip install to your projects. Let's go ahead and activate our venv, and let's take a look at the help. So here's our basic help. So right now, there's two commands, ask and obtain. Ask is more of a demo command, but you can also use it with bash scripting. Obtain is where like the side effects are. So in Python, we say we don't want side effects, we don't want magic. dworshak-prompt is all about the side effects. We're going to be impacting your file system. We're going to be causing pop-up windows. It's going to be very cool. Okay, let's take a look at the full help tree. Now this help tree command is from the typer help tree Python library, which I created. So this is the help for the basic ask command. And here's your obtain command. And so obtain comes in three flavors: config, env, and secret. And that's a question of where your value will be stored. And there's some behavioral differences on how it asks you. So let me demo ask. So with ask, there's a lot here in terms of suggestion, hide, verbose, debug, but most of what's here is interface, avoid. So that's the interface you want, which can be repeatable, and then there's the interface you want to avoid. So your three options are GUI, console, and web. So because we're in Termux, we don't get GUI. So I'll show you what happens if let's ask a question. So if we don't ask a question, we just say ask, it says enter value. 1, great, it shows up. If we provide a message, what is your name? Dylan, that's not my name. Cool, great. There's no side effects, it's just asking the question. If we say avoid console, then we get the question asked here. We'll say Mary. Great. Now we can close the tab, no trouble. We can also provide suggestions. We'll keep the console just for kicks. Cool, and so then with the suggestion, we can just press enter to choose it. So that's ask. You can use that to set environmental variables as well in the command line. But if you want to get real crazy, Dworshak is really built around impacting the Dworshak folder. So if we try to run this, it'll say, hey, you didn't give me any oh, that's why. We need to add the subcommand. Config. There we go. Cool. So this is all about service and item. So what's really going on here is there is a Dworshak folder, and it has this vault.db folder or file, and it has this config.json file. You can specify other places, but these are the standard default locations for where your configuration is going. So we can take a look at that thing, and there's other ways to look at it. You can use the dworshak config command, which comes in the wider dworshak CLI. Yeah, some values there. So if we want to say dworshak-prompt obtain config shelf of So you could put this in a bash script. I need to fix my case there. Cool. And the value has been saved.